In this video, we will show you how to change font on Squarespace website. To change your font on Squarespace website, it's very easy. First, you need to log in into your account.squarespace.com. After that, you can click your website here. Okay, please wait until the loading is done. And let's select another page because we will to see the demo for you. We need to change the font including on paragraph. Okay, this is for example. After that, you can change the font by clicking this set styles. Okay, from the set styles, there is option you can change theme or fonts. In here, just click fonts. Okay, for heading, this is using Roboto. Heading is here. Let's change using another font. Okay, I'm sorry. This is. Let's change here. You can see now the heading is changed into the able. Back into here, and we want to change also for paragraph. Okay, for paragraph, let's using able also. Now you can see, and back again, we want to change another. Okay, we can change to able also. Okay, you can see if there is button, you can also change the button font using able. Now you're done to change all of font on your Squarespace website. The last is just click the save button here. Now you are done to change your font on Squarespace website. This is a tutorial how to change font on Squarespace website. Hope this video helpful for you and thanks for watching.